Hey guys, Train Buddy here, just Chris, no Mike today. Mike is in French Lick, Indiana for the Dressman family reunion. Shout out to the Dressmans. I stayed behind this time to take care of our old dog. She's 15 and needs some tender love and care, so I stayed behind while the rest of the family is reunioning. Is that a word? But anywho, I'm right here in Erlanger, Kentucky. Right behind me, you've got this beautiful 7519 NS engine. I'm just outside the yard, so I'm not trespassing, but this engine is perfectly parked for a nice shot. I am out here today trying to catch the New York Central Heritage Unit headed southbound. I was in Cincinnati about an hour ago, so I might start moving north, maybe try to catch it in Crescent Springs. We'll see. But when I was a kid, I had some sweet train wallpaper with New York Central logo on it. I would love to catch this Heritage Unit. Unfortunately, Mike is not with me, but he's going to have a good time. Ooh. Stop to listen to that because
and as well as the south crossover
one
needs to be checked.
NS123 is the train symbol that the New York Central is leading. So anyway, where was I? Mike is in French Lick. He's got tickets to ride on the French Lick Scenic Railroad Tuesday, so I'm looking forward to getting some pictures from him, hearing about that. All right, stay tuned. I've been yapping my trap for long enough. Hopefully we got some train action for you pretty soon. Stay tuned. Here's 7519 that was right behind me just a minute ago. I was filming the intro. As you can see, these mark the NS property line, I believe. At least that's what we go by. And I'm just beyond the property, so I'm not trespassing. I'm actually in the parking lot for the lumber yard. But here's 7519 ES44DC. Parked here perfectly for me to get a nice shot of it. Pretty sweet. But all right, I'm gonna head to Crescent Springs and try to catch this Heritage Unit. Stay tuned. Well, we're still here in Erlanger. We didn't make it to Crescent Springs yet. It's a little bit different of a different manifest than we usually see. MOW train rolling into Erlanger here. Fourth of July weekend. Well, this is kind of a neat catch. This is not the Heritage Unit that I'm out here to catch, but that's pretty cool. That's not a, like I said, it's not a manifest you see very often. It doesn't look like it's going very far. It does not have a Fred on the end. All right, on to Crescent Springs. train DPU coming up. All right, guys, that was really cool. Glad I caught that. Crescent Springs and Erlanger. The MOW train we saw at the very beginning is parked here in Erlanger right now. So I believe they're going to be doing some maintenance way work on track number 2 behind me. I can see some rails back there laying on the side, and some rail plates, I guess is what they're called. I'm not really sure. It's the metal plate in between the tie and the rail that the rail sits on. But there's a whole bunch of brand new ones laying on the line over there. So new plates, new rails, MOW equipment. Looks like track 2 is going to be getting some work. I didn't know the geometry train was through here maybe a week ago. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but coincidence. That's it. Shout out to my buddy Mike in French Lick. I miss you, buddy. Wish you were here to catch this. And also from French Lick at the Dressman family reunion. Here we got a big fan, Laura's fiance, Brandon. Yes. Congratulations on the engagement, and thanks for being a Train Buddies fan. Shout out to the Dressmans, and Train Buddies out. You're a good girl.